This is the RIVERSONG Motive 5T smartwatch. Included in the box you have the Motive 5T smartwatch, the wireless charger, the instruction booklet, and the warranty card. This smartwatch has a 1.9-inch borderless tempered glass touchscreen display with multiple watch faces to choose from. It has an IP67 waterproof rating, a 280 milliamp battery pack that can typically last 5 days with heavy usage and 20 to 30 days on standby mode, Bluetooth 5.0, a dedicated app, wireless charging capabilities, GPS, NFC, an AI voice assistant, a digital crown, temperature, heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep monitoring. You can also receive calls, texts, and SNS notifications, weather forecasts, and it has multiple sport modes. On the dedicated Wear Pro app, you can see all of your data from the watch, like the steps you've taken, calories burned, distance traveled, the hours you've slept, your heart rate, blood pressure, and much more. You can also see the GPS tracking of all of your workouts, like the area you walked, or ran, or biked. Also, you can pick from many more watch faces or create your own with a picture and have it instantly sent directly to your watch. Thanks for watching.